Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change other language in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on System. Now press on Languages and Input. Go to Languages. By pressing plus icon, you can add any language. From here, you can change your language. That's it. So this is how to set other language in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.